आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Let's see. Greg, Marcia, Peter, Jan, Bobby, and Cindy go to a movie theater and sit next to each other in 6 adjacent seats in the front row of the theater. So, if Marcia and Jan will not sit next to each other, in how many different arrangement can the 6 people sit? So, let's see the solution. So, what we have to find? We have to find that how many different arrangement can the 6 people sit. So, what we will do? Just we use the following formula. Okay. That is total number of ways to arrange the 6 people. We will use total number of ways to arrange 6 peoples, that is equal to number of arrangement when Marcia sit next to Jan, as we have given one thing that the Marcia and Jan will not sit next to each other. So what we have done in this, that we just subtract we just not subtract, we will just add the number of arrangement when Marcia sits next to Jan. So what we will do, that we just add number of arrangement when Marcia sits next to Jan, and we will add number of arrangement when Marcia does not sit next to Jan. Okay, so let's determine the number of arrangement in which Marcia sit next to Jan. We will find the number of arrangement when Marcia sit next to Jan. So what we will do, we will just denote Greg, that with G, Peter with Marcia with M, Peter with P, Jan with J, Bob with P, and Cindy with C. So total number of people, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we denoted by this. So when Marcia and Jan, that is Marcia and Jan must sit together, we can consider them as a one person, that is MJ. Okay, MJ we will just consider it as one person. For example, one arrangement could be MJ, that next GP and BC. So there's the number of ways to arrange 5 people in a row, that is equal to 5 factorial. Okay, so the number of ways to arrange 5 people in a row, that is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 120. Got it? So however, we must also know account of the way that we arrange the Marcia and Jan. Okay, so this is either MJ or JM. Thus there are two ways. Okay, so what we will do, that is equal to 2 factorial. So that is 2 ways to arrange Marcia and Jan. 2 ways to arrange, that is Marcia and Jan. So therefore the total number of sitting arrangement is how much? Let's see. Total number of, what we will find, that total number of number of seating arrangement. That is how much? That is 120, as we have found above that 120 is the total arrangement. So what we will do, just multiply with 2, then we will get the Marcia and Jan do sit next to each other. Okay, so here the total number of sitting arrangement, that is equal to 120 into 2. Why I will do this? Because we just find out the Marcia and Jan do sit next to each other, so that is equal to 240. 240 is what? When Marcia and Jan do sit next to each other. Okay, so since there are 6 people being arranged, so the number of possible arrangement is how much? Let's see. When the 6 people are arranged, so the total number of possible arrangement is, that is 6 factorial. So 6 factorial is equal to 720, as this is the total number of possible arrangement. So the number of arrangement when Marcia does not sit next to Jan, how we will find? We will just subtract total number of arrangement or possibilities when the 6 people are arranged, and we will subtract the 240, that is total number of sitting arrangement when Marcia and Jan do not sit with each other. Let's put this is 240, that is 1 and 2. So we will just find the our solution, that is equal to 720, as 720 is the number of ways or number of arrangement when the number of people, total number of, that is 6 people, has been arranged. So that is 720 minus 240. Okay, as 240 is the Marcia and Jan do not sit to each other, so 720 minus 240, that is equal to 480. So 480 is the answer. Or okay, so this is our answer. So thank you so much for watching this video.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।